Namaste students. Today I am taking the English grammar for especially for standard 10. We are having notice writing. And it's generally asked in the option of email writing and the marks for it is 3. The 3 marks question which comes in the option of email. But let's first see what the format of writing notice. Now especially we'll see that notice are kept in the notice board, bulletin boards where people stand and read. So notice should be to the point, short, easily understood. Within 2-3 lines, the person who is reading they should make out what they want to say through the notice. So first of all, while we are writing a notice, we have like this the kind of page. So in the page, there should be first heading. Heading, it should be the name of the institute, name of the school, name of the company, whatever it is. So here it will be the name of the institute. Institute, yeah, school, that. Second, the main thing is we have to write the heading. Notice where N is written in capital and that should be underlined. In the center, we have to write like this. Notice, and there should be a underline. This is one of the thing we should be, it's compulsory like thing have it. Then the topic of the notice, whatever the subject, like it can be of many types. It can be of just lost and found, if you say lost and found. Yeah, it can be a trick. Heading of the notice, it can be anything like that, lost and found. It can be in case of in school we have it for arrangement, the picnic, tour, anything like that it can be. If in the case of lost and found, we have to write the date. On the date, we are writing this notice. After the date, the details should be 4 to 5 to 6 lines here. Then in the again second passage, if further to whom, if we are lost any book, lost any notebook or textbook or water bottle, we have to give the description of that thing, color, especially the place where we are lost it, when, the time, it should be written, and what is the thing that is lost. Then in the next detail we can give to contact. It can be in 2 to 3 lines to whom the person should contact if they find that things, or if you have lost that thing, if they find it, what reward they'll be getting. Huh? So both the case, reward can be asked or reward can be given. So that details also you can give the name of the person to be contacted, the contact number, mobile number, whatever. Then the person who is writing the notice, their signature must be here, then the name, then the designation. This is the main format of the notice writing. So if you follow this format, there is no scope of. Don't ever forget to write the date here, and it should not be more than 5 to 6 lines maximum for a notice. So now I want to say that how many types of notices are there. There are nearly 4 to 5 types of notice. First of all, we say that lost and found. If we have found some book, yeah, we have found some jewelry in the classroom, if where somewhere in the ground near the school premises, so we can say that we have found the thing. The person can come and claim her, and whomever you have to contact. Like in case of our school, we can say we can write the person, those who are sitting in the office, we can give their contact number, mobile number in that case. In some cases, there are parents teachers meeting uniform. So if there is any change in the uniform, if there is any change in the fee structure, that is also given through the notice where it is written as the fee structure change, a uniform review of the uniform, yeah, in that here. Thirdly, it can be like functions, annual functions, yeah, some programs in the school. Here it can be written as a program in the school, and there you can give what the dress code is, when, venue is important. Here, the place of venue and the time, it should be the that is, and in case something, dress code also you can give here, and where to whom they have to contact to know the further details, and the person who is writing, giving the notice, his name and the designation is compulsory there. In this case, You can score 3 marks if you follow all these things. And generally, this is asked in the option. In case of exams, it's asked in the options with email. So I hope you understood how to write notice. You can refer your book, grammar. See, a lot of notices are there. Lost and found, your parents teachers are meeting. In case some cases now we are having this digital India. So if the shopkeepers, the name of the shop notice, and they write that we are going cashless. That is, if you go to the shop, they say just we are following our government rules. They want to use the card, so they need your support. That thing they can write here and say कि from next day we are trying to make our India, our state green with this digital work. That they can inform the customers through this small short notice on their bulletin board and or sticking outside their shop. So I hope you understood how to write a notice. Just go through it. If you have any further problems, anything face, you can ask me in the next time we contact. Thank you.